Shalom, welcome to another episode with BahtKaleb Consulting. Today, the topic is Get Paid by the Government. SAM.gov explained simply. We are going to explain simplified how to register in SAM.gov. Shalom, family. If you want government contracts, you must register on SAM.gov. No SAM registration, you get no government money. It doesn't matter how good your business is. If you're not in the system, you are invisible, darling. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to register in SAM.gov step by step. So grab your pen and paper or just save this video, but keep watching until the end. And of course, Yahweh is first. So we are going to start with our scripture, Ecclesiastes chapter 10, verse 10. If the iron be blunt and he do not whet the edge, then must he put to more strength. But wisdom is profitable to direct. Why this fit perfectly? Registering in SAM.gov is sharpening the axe, it's preparation, it's positioning, it's wisdom before opportunity. Here we go. What is SAM.gov? SAM stands for System for Award Management. See, when you know what it means, it's easier for you to really get it and know, okay, SAM.gov, System for Award Management. This is the official database the U.S. government uses to find businesses and to pay businesses. Keyword, pay. Think of it like this. If government agencies can't find you in SAM, they can't hire you. All right, and they can't pay you. What you need before you start. What do you need? Let's go. Before you even go to the website, go gather all this. Your legal business name, your business address, and notice I say your legal business name, be registered with the state, please. Your business address, EIN number, business bank account information, routing number and account number for the business bank account, business phone number and email, your NAICS code, that's the business industry code, your business start date, your business type, LLC, nonprofit, etc. And you may say, oh my gosh, this is so much. Well, you want to get a lot of money, right? Get it done. And if you need help, BahtKaleb Consulting. Now, if you don't have these ready, pause the video and go gather them because I want to walk you through this. This is a walkthrough video. Let's go. Step by step, how to register in SAM.gov. Now that you have gathered that information, go to SAM.gov. Now you're going to create a login at the .gov account. Go to SAM.gov and click sign in. You'll be directed to login.gov. Create your free account with your email and password. Make sure you save this login information. This is your access point. And I'm so bad with these. Because it's like I have a book with just different stuff and password because I'm so old school. I like to keep it on paper as well as online, but because of course it's there in the clouds, but I like it on paper. Next, step 2, start your entity registration. Once logged in, click register entity, choose register for federal assistance, awards and contracts, then begin entering your business information. Enter, put it in. Step 3, enter your business details. You'll be asked for a legal business name, which is what's on your EIN document. How's it registered with the IRS? That's the main one. Legal business name, your EIN number, the business structure, the physical address, mailing address, start date, and business size. Everything must match your IRS record. I said that earlier, and here I have it in the notes. Everything must match your IRS records. Details matter, baby. Next, add your bank information. This is how you get paid. Enter your bank name, your routing number, and your accounting number. Yes, I am getting $120 million. Yes, I see it. Double check this one. One mistake can delay your payment. You don't want to be a number off and then you miss that money. Next, step 5, choose your NAICS code. NAICS code describe what your business does. Example, numbers 5611720 is for janitorial services. Number 611430 is for professional training services. We have that. Numbers 541611 is for business consulting. Ding, ding, ding. Here we are. Choose the codes that match your services, not mine. But if you're doing the same services, you can choose the same code. Step 6, complete the representations and certifications section. This section is basically you confirming your business is legitimate. You agree to follow federal laws. Yes, yes, you have to follow the federal laws. This a given. And that your information that you entered is truthful. Be honest and take your time here. Don't go lying to the government. Do not. Step 7, submit and wait for activation. Activate. After submission, your registration goes into review. Approval can take several days. Sometimes it's quicker. Once active, you become eligible to receive federal contracts and payment. Pow, that's where the big money come to play. Warning though, I have to warn you, family. SAM.gov is 100% free. It is. Do not pay anyone who email you asking for hundreds of dollars to register your business. There are many scammers targeting new business owners. Sam.gov, I just gave you the meat and potatoes. I just gave you the secret sauce. I just gave you the secret recipe. I just gave you the bush baked beans recipe. I just gave you everything for that. How to do it yourself. Just like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel, and of course, save the video. Save it, and follow it and register and get paid. We have a business wisdom moment. Registration doesn't guarantee contracts, but without registrations, getting a government contract is impossible. So you have to position yourself, prepare yourself. So this is wisdom. Wisdom is a principal thing, therefore get wisdom, and with all they get understanding. Many people are praying for opportunity, but they are not positioned for opportunity. You can't pray and say, "Oh Lord, 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 I want government contracts." He's going to say, "Hey, my daughter have BahtKaleb Consulting, and she did a SAM.gov video show you how to do it. Register with the government." SAM.gov is not complicated. It's just discipline. It's structure. It's obedience to process. And once you're registered, you have taken a real step into rooms most people never enter. Facts. That's the facts on top of facts on top of facts. So, want to know where to invest? Contact us. Want to start a business but don't know the next step? Contact BahtKaleb Consulting. You have to have the bot in it, not Kaleb Consulting. That's someone else out there. BahtKaleb Consulting. If this helped you, subscribe. We teach business structure, credit, and kingdom economics so you can build without bondage. BahtKalebConsulting@gmail.com or sign up at www.BahtKalebConsulting.com. We specialize in business. Glory to Yahweh. Please take this information to better yourself and our nation as a whole. Praise Yahweh. Shalom. Shalom. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And once you take this information, you register for SAM.gov, go ahead and note that you register. All right. Here's our information again. Consultant at BahtKalebConsulting.com. Shalom.